The eternal search. Humanity's gaze toward the stars. The eternal search. The search for life, a question older than civilization itself, older even than language or history. Since the first spark of awareness flickered within the human mind, we have lifted our eyes toward the heavens, toward that vast, unending ocean of stars, and wondered what might be waiting beyond the dark. Every night sky has been a mirror, reflecting our curiosity, our fears, and our endless longing to understand our place in the cosmos. Somewhere in that boundless black expanse, a single question has echoed through eternity. A whisper that has never faded. Are we truly alone in the universe? From the moment fire met starlight, humanity sought meaning in the heavens. Long before telescopes or science, our ancestors looked up and read the stars as divine messages. The Babylonians pressed the motion of the constellations into clay tablets, believing they could read the destiny of kings in the heavens. The Egyptians built monuments of stone, aligning them perfectly with the rising sun, bridges of light between earth and sky, between mortal life and eternity. Across continents and ages, philosophers, mystics, and dreamers searched the night for signs of the divine, imagining that somewhere, among those distant fires, other worlds might exist, other beings watching the same cosmic sea. They saw gods and spirits woven through the constellations, but beneath those myths burned something deeper, a spark of science, a hunger not for power but for truth. As time advanced, our understanding grew sharper. Our curiosity evolved into invention. Polished stones became glass lenses. Lenses became telescopes. And telescopes became colossal observatories that stretched human vision to the edge of the universe. We built instruments that could see what no human eye had ever seen before, the faintest whispers of light from the dawn of time. We learned to listen to the cosmos itself, hearing the faint hum of distant stars, the murmurs of galaxies billions of years old. Each discovery pulled the veil of mystery back a little further, yet deepened our wonder even more. We realized the night sky was not a ceiling, it was an ocean. Vast, alive, and endless. And we, fragile creatures of dust and thought, were merely learning how to set sail. The dream once spoken beside ancient fires has transformed into a science, a pursuit powered not by myth, but by precision, data, and daring imagination. We no longer simply gaze upward. We listen to the stars. We read their language written in light, decode their secret patterns, and trace their stories back to the birth of time. Every photon that touches our instruments is a traveler from the past, a messenger that has crossed the ocean of eternity to tell us who we are, and where we come from. And among all the wonders we've created, none shines brighter than humanity's golden eye in the void, the James Webb Space Telescope. Launched in 2021, Webb is more than a machine. It is a monument to curiosity, a cathedral of science, unfolding its wings in the silent vacuum of space. Its great mirror, over 6 meters wide, blooms like a golden flower, catching the faintest embers of ancient light, light that began its journey before Earth or the Sun had even formed. Unlike Hubble, which saw invisible color, Webb peers through dust, darkness, and time itself, into the invisible infrared realm where the first stars and galaxies still whisper their beginnings. Through its golden gaze, we can finally see what was once unseen, the birth of stars, the formation of galaxies, the shimmering outlines of worlds orbiting faraway suns. Each image Webb sends back is not merely a photograph, it is a window into creation itself, a time machine peering across cosmic history. The James Webb Space Telescope is not simply a tool. It is a bridge between what humanity once was and what it is destined to become. Because through it, we are not just observing the universe. The whisper from K2-12B, signs of life beyond Earth among the countless worlds Webb has unveiled, one stands apart, a small, silent planet circling a dim red sun in the quiet constellation of Leo. Its name, K2-12B. At first, it appeared unremarkable, just another exoplanet among the billions that wander the Milky Way. But within its atmosphere, hidden in the faint light of a distant sunrise, was a secret that could change everything. K2-12B lies in its star's habitable zone, that delicate cosmic distance where temperatures might allow liquid water to exist. And where there is water, there may be life. When Webb's golden mirror turned toward this faraway world, the light that passed through its atmosphere carried the fingerprints of familiar molecules, water vapor, methane, and carbon dioxide. The same ingredients that make Earth a living, breathing world. Then came something extraordinary. A faint, mysterious chemical whisper from across 120 light-years of space. A molecule known as dimethyl sulfide, or DMS. Here on Earth, DMS is produced almost entirely by life, by microscopic plankton drifting through our oceans, breathing tiny traces of existence into the air. If that signal from K2-12B is real, then somewhere in that faraway system, a distant ocean world might be alive, breathing, changing, evolving under an alien sun. It would mark the first time in human history that we've detected a potential biomarker beyond our own solar system, a chemical whisper suggesting that life is not confined to Earth. And yet, K2-12B is no ordinary world. It belongs to a strange family known as sub-Neptunes, planets larger than Earth, smaller than Neptune, and completely absent from our own system. Does it hide a rocky surface beneath a global ocean that stretches for thousands of miles? Or is it a miniature gas giant, wrapped in swirling clouds of hydrogen and mist? No one knows for certain. K2-12B orbits its cool red star at just 0.18 astronomical units, closer than Mercury is to our Sun. A year there lasts only 13 Earth days. And yet, because its star burns faint and gentle, this alien world rests in a fragile balance where liquid water could still endure. Imagine it. A world bathed in soft crimson light, its sky veiled in vapor, its seas endless and dark. Beneath those waves, unseen lifeforms may drift, releasing faint gases into the air, their presence written into light and captured by Webb's unblinking golden eye. If that vision is true, then K2-12B is more than a planet. It is a message, a whisper through the void that says, "You are not alone." Webb uncovered these secrets through a remarkable technique called transmission spectroscopy, where starlight filters through a planet's atmosphere, allowing scientists to read its chemical code like the diary of another world. Each wavelength tells a story. Each color holds a clue. Through this method, Webb revealed methane, carbon dioxide, water vapor, and perhaps, the faint breath of DMS. If confirmed, it would be one of the most profound discoveries in all of science, proof that life is not a rare accident, but a natural rhythm woven into the universe itself. Imagine the implication. If life can exist there, then among the 100 billion planets that orbit the stars of our galaxy, life may be everywhere, hidden in alien oceans, thriving beneath skies of blue, red, or gold, flourishing in ways beyond human imagination. Future missions, like NASA's Habitable Worlds Observatory, may soon capture direct images of these distant planets, revealing oceans, continents, even clouds drifting across alien suns. Step by step, we are drawing closer to the truth that has haunted us since the dawn of time. Are we alone? Or are we part of something far greater, a vast cosmic family stretching across the stars? Whatever the answer, one truth remains. With every discovery, the universe feels a little less empty. And the hope that we are not alone burns brighter than